In a situation where you are in the process of seeking representation for divorce, you want to make sure that you're asking your attorney questions about how often do they take on divorce cases? Is this something they do on a daily basis? What percentage of it are divorces of their practice? What about their staff? Is their staff well versed in what's going on? How do they approach the divorce process? Do they lead with a stick, or do they bring the honey first and see what happens, I like to say? Meaning, are they out looking to try to take as long as possible to run up fees for your divorce, or are they in a position where they understand that it's their job, as we believe here at Turner-Monahan, to find a way for you and your spouse, or soon to be former spouse, to coexist later on down the line, especially if you have children, and to be able to communicate and put in a plan, whether it's dividing your assets or dividing your assets and the rights and duties and possession and access of your children. You need to make sure that you find somebody that you feel comfortable, that their initial goal is to figure out how to make that possible without having a long and drawn out divorce process. Not to say there aren't situations where one part or the other causes a long drawn out divorce situation, and there are several times that occurs, wherein you'll have to do discovery and possibly depositions and subpoenas of other things, and there are appropriate times that needs to be done. But on the front end, you need to make sure that you understand what you're getting into with the attorney that you're hiring, to make sure it's somebody that you feel comfortable with and that you know that you're going to have what I would call a good working relationship with your attorney. In regards to Turner-Monahan, we have two offices, one in downtown Fort Worth, which we are about 2.5 blocks, maybe 3 blocks from the Tarrant County Family Law Center, and our other one is in Johnson County, which is about 2 or 3 blocks away from Johnson County Quinn Justice Center. Both of our offices handle about 70% family law and 30% criminal. And here in our Fort Worth office, I would say that our Fort Worth office is probably closer to 80 to 85% family and 15% criminal. We handle divorces and adoptions, suit affecting parent-child relationships and modifications, and numerous other family law matters, whether they be enforcements or writ of attachment or writ of habeas corpus. We handle those on a daily basis. This is what we call our bread and butter. We do this every day. It's what we built our practice around. It's what we take pride in. And all of our staff members here have been doing this for quite some time. This is something that we enjoy doing. We understand that family law cases, they are trying times, they're difficult. Sometimes you can't see the forest but for the trees, and you need to make sure that you have somebody that you believe can assist you in navigating through those muddy waters to be able to come out of the other end for some clear water and clarity, and to be able to move forward with your lives.